Hi everybody, it's Juliet here. I just wanted to come on quickly today to talk about the Toho challenge for 2025. This is the mini kit that you can purchase in certain stores. The best thing to do would be to Google where you can get it. They're probably starting to run low, so I would, if you want to get it, I would get it pretty quickly, okay? So this year's challenge is called Sonoran Sunset, and it's based on the landscape of the Sonoran Desert. And what you get in your box is, first of all, it has a list of all the different colors and finishes that you're allowed to use. So you can only use Toho beads and Starman check beads in these specific colors, but you can use any shape you want. You can add extra beads as long as they're in this color palette, okay? And then you can just email or on Facebook, there's a Toho page. When you're done with your design, you send it to them and they just feature it, and it's just a fun little challenge. So there's some more information in this box about it. And then what you get this year is you get a lot of 11-0s. So last year we had more different shapes, like we had some triangles, we had some 15-0s, but this year it's mostly 11-0 rounds. So these are all the 11-0 rounds that you get here, okay? You can see they're really pretty colors. And then up here, you do get two 8-0 rounds as well. So you get this pretty teal color, transparent rainbow teal, and you get the silver line milky grapefruit, which is a really pretty color as well. We do get one little packet of some Ico beads, which they're kind of like Miyuki Delica beads. Okay, so these are cylinder beads. So you get a little packet of those. Then from Starman, you get a pack, a string of fire polish beads. So really pretty. And sorry, hang on. How did I have this? And then you also get a few crystals, and you get a cabochon. You get some 1G, which is Toho thread, as you know, probably. Most of you know that. So 50 yards, and it's a nice neutral brown color, which will blend in well with all of that. And then we get some Starman check beads. So here we have some bars in a olivine green. So the bar beads, okay. You get some ginkgo leaves, which are really cool, like color. It's kind of a green with copper on it. Oh, bronze Apollo, they're calling it. Turquoise matte bronze Apollo. So you get a little tube of ginkgo beads. Then these ones you can get different colors. It depends which kit. Like the kits contain one of the following. Tells you right here of the cradle. These are called cradle beads. So they just kind of have a little like a little bump in them. So you're either going to get the opaque lilac, the transparent blue, or the metallic amethyst. And it looks like I have got the metallic amethyst, so woohoo. And then the last thing here is we have some gem duos in Apollo Gold. So you know, even if you don't want to do the challenge, it's a really good little kit, you know, of different beads that go together. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that, and I am going to get my thinking cap on for my design for this year. And I hope that if you're interested, you'll buy a kit and take part as well. It's just a fun little challenge. So, okay, take care for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.